We are going on a 2-week expedition to the Amazon rainforest in the Pacaya Samiria Reserve, where we're doing population monitoring, we're doing things like fishing, transects through the forest, counting dolphins, all that kind of stuff. So I hope you enjoy. Hey Anshit. Hey Anshit.
What?
Where are we going?
We're going to Peru.
Why?
We're going on an expedition.
Alright, how many flights?
Like 3. We're going to it's Mom.
This is bound to be your body into wonderland. Your body into wonder. I will use my head.
Why are you taking photos?
Not.
Oh wow, you're taking a video! Yeah!
How's it going, Alex?
So you can't get past me.
How's it going?
It's okay?
Good. How's it going,
You're
Ethan?
taking a video vlog every day.
How's it going, Ethan?
You're taking a video vlog. What's Guri reading?
Yeah.
I think there's better things that you can get footage of
Like what?
than you filming me saying that
Yes.
now.
We're in Sao Paulo.
Why are we here?
We're getting a connecting flight to Lima.
Alright, and then where are we going?
Well, we're going to Iquitos.
Come there first time.
Hello Niall. Hello. What can you tell me about what you've done today?
Well, this morning we were still on the massive plane going to Sao Paulo, and then we took a plane to Lima where they took my quadcopter off me, which was very disappointing. And then we took a 2-hour plane to Iquitos, which is where we are now.
No. Can you lean down a bit?
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Thanks.
Okay. We are now in Iquitos, and we've just stayed at this hotel overnight.
We stayed in the worst hotel and the girls got the better one, and I'm not sure how I feel about that.
Yeah, that's exactly right. The girls' one had an indoor pool.
And look at our pool.
This is out. Well, it's one of the pools. There is another one downstairs that I went in. That was quite nice. It's incredibly foggy and incredibly humid and really warm. So even if you just had a shower, you feel like you need one within about 5 minutes of getting out again. Wow. So we think this is some kind of tributary of the Amazon. There's a boat down there which is a museum boat that we're going to go to in a bit, and then I think is it late this morning we're going? Late this morning we're going out on a 2-hour drive to the actual research boat that we're going to be staying on for the next couple of weeks. Here is the much nicer pool compared with the top because it has water in. Hey, where are we, Anshit?
We're right outside the boat that we're going to be on for the next 2 weeks.
What river is this, Anshit?
It's the Amazon.
Nice one.
It's a pretty big river.
It is.
You look across there. We're heading towards the place we're going to do all the research.
Lovely. And we get there Tuesday morning, don't we? It's
Yeah.
it's Monday morning. It's 5:57. The boat started up fairly early. And she would like to talk to you a bit about the food and the accommodation.
Well, since we're on a boat in the middle of the Amazon, I think the food's actually quite good. We've had rice and pasta so far, and a bit of chicken and vegetables. The toilets are manual flush, and they're pretty hard to flush. But otherwise, everything's quite good.
You've got to tell us about today.
It's been great. We've just been travelling. We've had 2 very interesting lectures.
And what are we doing tomorrow?
We're gonna go into the rainforest. Yay!
Okay, thank you.
And if we read a book, like we could, like
I came in like crocodiles and like
headmistress.
Hey Gillard, what are we doing?
looking at caiman.
Oh, nice one.
I'm well excited.
Tip the snout back of the plate. Do you want to go from 10? Do you want to go from 10, yeah? Just so you can read it a bit easier. It's very easy. So you can go from tip the snout.
That's such a weird branch.
Subir el primer grupo.
We'll do this.
Oh my gosh.
Like Thursday.
¿Quieres subir?
Ooh.
Other characters too, and the main characters for to identify them, the macaws, is about their vocalization, their calls. Each species has their own calls. This is what we are gonna learn in this series, guys. About learn the common languages.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's coming towards us
How
actually.
do you film?
So for the last couple of days, every day we go out and do some research in the morning and the afternoon. So yesterday in the morning we did a primate transect, and then in the afternoon, what did we do in the afternoon? Oh, we went macaw counting, but we only saw 2, which was a bit disappointing. The first day we did caiman, which you've probably already seen, and today we're going fishing, and then we're doing wading birds in the afternoon, I think, but I will just check. Oh, wait. Just take a selfie. Oh, yes!
And 32 for full body.
Are you vlogging?
No, you are.
Oh, I am vlogging. Looking for dolphins. Not having much luck though. Seen 3. One was a baby.
It's not working. There you go.
How crazy this filming is. Don't. Oh my god, this guy's a legend.
It could.
They're pretty nasty.
Yeah. Wow. They go. Oh,
I'm not scared of holding this. Oh, it
This
feels
is really
so weird.
cute.
That feels so weird. Does anybody else want to hold
Yeah,
it?
go on, I'll hold him.
You got really pretty tickly. Do you want me to take a picture?
That's okay.
And good.
Had to get up really early. About
Yeah, Bali.
like 6 a.m. to go on a monkey transect through the forest, and we kind of got lost. But
Did we actually get lost?
no, we came to a mist-net. Into the wrong section. And we saw. What did we see? Got it all here. 1 red squirrel. Oh no, 2 red squirrels. 6 howler monkeys. 9 capuchins, and a black squirrel.
Trial. So you can manipulate like really easily, you see? So I don't hurt the animal. And also, one of the measures we take is the SPL. That's mean the snow band length. From here to exactly here. This area. Like this. That's it. It is 32.86.
We found a firefly.
Niall, have you caught any there?
No, but I found this really jazzy little firefly thing.
Do you know? Thank you. Where is the water edge? I'll work it out. Right over there.
This one here, this one here, the disposition of the leaf are totally different between one tree to another one. Or if you're looking around you, it's just like the disposition to all these things around are different. But this one, they don't use the leaf, but they don't use the trunk. They're using more the root. Why? Because the roots is like a little bit big. And then how they use this. Also, it's important just for young people, just for child. When they have problems like fever, really, really strong fevers, they're using this. But how they use it? They collecting this, they smashing the root, or they cut them pieces, they put in the water in a container, they boil it. After they boil it, they remove from the house to upside to the house for the entire night. And after, in the morning, they taking a shower with this. And also, before they take a shower with this, they drink 1 glass with this liquid, and they will be fine after that. So they do like a three sessions of this, and the person they have fevers and stuff, they can do this. This is called Tukunare Sacha. Is the name of this plant.
Have you ever had it?
Yes, many times. Not as much as Yarrow though.
How does it compare to piranha?
It's better. Go ahead and write your name down for whoever wants to do this data log entry.
Do you know that guy's still going? He's still alive.
Oh, are you videoing?
Yeah.
What are we talking about now?
Well, I could say like, I've just been fishing, and we had a talk from Bryce that was really interesting.
It was good, yeah. I enjoyed Bryce's talk.
Yes, it was good. And it's raining, and when it rains in the Amazon, it really rains. Do you want to say something?
Hi. It's raining, quite heavy. It's not very nice. Bit cold. The towel's outside.
Oh my word.
Crazy.
This is disgusting. Maybe you could talk a little bit about the activities you've been doing over the last few days, aren't you?
Well, I'll start off with fishing. So with fishing, we go down there, over to this lake area, and we just get these sticks made by the Kakama, fling them in, wait for a few seconds, bring them up.
Kakama? Sorry, who are they?
Oh, the Kakama, the local village people that live here. In fact, we're going to go to one of their villages in the afternoon tomorrow, I think.
Hey!
Hey, it's Alistair.
Oh my God.
Zach. Oh my God. And the other activity we're doing today is going to be dolphins, where we get on a boat with some dissertation students, head down that way, and
Nice selfie now.
count as many dolphins as we can.
Nice one. I'm doing fishing, so I'm going to take my GoPro and try and get some videos using the head mount, which might play next if I do it.
How many fish did you get last time you went fishing now?
Oh, I personally caught 16 and shit.
Oh, I got 5.
No, you didn't. That was the time before.
Okay, last time I caught 2. But one of them was a wolfish,
So
which was
you
cool.
caught 2 fish. I caught
Yeah.
5 piranhas.
Oh, hey, Sham.
I caught 20 piranhas
No, you didn't.
and 2 with my bare hands.
No, you didn't. It's just not
It's
true.
in the diary, it's true.
It's not true at all.
Bien pescador.
Let's go down to breakfast now.
Okay.
See,
On him. Then watch.
so cool.
And then. Whoa. Bang.
Restaurant at the end of the universe. So long as fish.
Yes.
Wolfish
You
likes
can't
to jump.
even
Here's
do.
a- you've been to move. Here's a smaller one.
Even if you try and hold it, just because it's so slippery, it's still no proper fish.
Show you. Yeah.
This is proper
Saco-
fish control now.
Solamente verde.
You're on point.
24.
See
Wait,
the street?
25 maybe.
25.
25. Do that. Good. Let's get him on the scale.
So how do I hold
Come
it?
on, and shit.
Hold your hands over.
It's
Lift
amateur.
up, lift up. What does he say?
500. No, 450.
Okay, and then just actually, what we can do, watch this. Watch this, just okay?
What was the length?
25.5 was the length.
I wasn't expecting that.
And shit's so not taking this seriously enough.
I'm expecting it now.
The
Yeah,
wolfish likes to jump. That is his favorite pastime.
Hobby.
Yeah.
Okay, this one should be really important that you need to exercise powerful fish control on this one because he's got a job.
Ah. This is going to be hilarious.
Oh, you're mugging me off. Oh wait, no, he's still alive.
He is super dead. Super dead.
Is he actually dead?
Wait, should I be measuring it?
And he still can't control
He
it.
is 27. Ready?
What do we got? 350.
Come on. Come on.
Millimeters, come on.
And shit, you know
Here's
what a
another
centimetre
proper
is.
wolfish control.
That one's dead as well, and shit. How hard is it?
Okay, this is the last wolfish.
Is it? This is a big one, isn't
This is
it?
the big one.
I can actually do it. Trust.
This is a live one.
I can do it. If he can't.
No, you need proper wolfish
Y'all
control.
see the wolfish right here, guys? There he is.
See how he's not dropping it?
He's lovely.
Try and emulate
That's the trick.
Don't speak too soon.
I'm so gonna catch him dropping this thing.
This is where he pulled it out. Yeah, you're really not. The nose is not pressed down at all.
Do you really understand what you're doing, and shit? This isn't proper wolfish control.
He's like 28.2.
I so want it to jump. Come on.
Right. This is the
Lift up. Lift up a little bit. Lift up.
550. I did it though. 550.
The common Plecostomus. So he's in look in those cards. You see this fish? Anybody see him?
Very good.
Excellent numbers.
There's an even bigger one.
The dream is to get an excellent numbers from.
That tiger one, that's cool.
I'm just gonna have a quick photo and then swap to Robin.
No,
Sir Rob.
first round.
Hello, when it again.
There's been a couple meals that you've had this guy for dinner.
Wait.
What are the things on the end for?
And your thumb. But other way around.
Zach, you just need to utilise proper catfish
There
control
you
and be
go.
fine.
Look at that. See? See how the spines are held out now? Now you're not going to get spined by that fish.
Got a picture now, Veronica. Look at. Hi. Where are you? Oh, I've lost it.
Guys, if you don't hurry and get your pictures, he's going to be gone into the forest. I mean, he's going to get away.
Sadly, today is the day that we leave the reserve. So we're now waving goodbye to everyone, and then we'll make our way down to the village, which we're going to bring some things for about midday. And then hopefully, if we've got time, we'll go to the manatee sanctuary. So it's goodbyes now. No. This afternoon we're going to a village where we're bringing them some books and pens and things like that. Hi Will. And I think we're going to have a game of football with them at some point, so that will be fun. Here it is.
Oh, they're all caught around.
People, so there is only about 150 families. Okay. You remember when we were talking with the guides in the dining room? They were saying that now the local people are helping to the conservation. Have you seen in the PV2 there was a house, and close to the house there was some square of sand?
Yeah.
Have you remember that? That is artificial nest for turtles. Okay, so they are taking the eggs from the forest and they put in that square. So in that way they can control the population. They can know how if the population is increasing or decreasing. So now the local people, they are doing the same thing. Okay, this is one. So they have groups, and each group have some squirrel, and they go to the forest.
It can't be that big.
We're on the boat and we've nearly reached Nauta, and we're going to go to the manatee sanctuary where Zach wants to cuddle a manatee.
We are now back in Nauta and we are going to drive back to the hotel, but on the way we're going to stop at a manatee sanctuary. Look at this guy. He knows what's going on.
Fun boy. I got this one. You know, heart needs to pull down. It's the worst look. You're filming yourself eating an ice cream.
What flavour is it, Danny?
Awahe.
It's a tree flavoured ice lolly.
Awahe.
For 3 solids, which is like 80p.
Awahe.
Massive.
Garritas came here only with 6 months. 1 year.
Oh my god.
Hello.
I don't know what this one is, but I have this one on my shoulder. Oh yeah.
Oh, it quite, yeah, it wants a bracelet, doesn't it?
We take this animal to the quick adaptation. Got to survive the adapter until 1 year.
Come on. They have the strangest mouths.
You've seen the way they...
Okay.
That's a turtle.
Oh, is that female then?
We're in the hotel for the last night before we head back, and now we're going to the market to buy some things. We've just been to the local supermarket. Now we're walking through Iquitos, which is really horrible at night. Gracias.
How should I go about this thing?
That is huge. Chicken. You need. Yeah. Right.
Amigo, ahora lo invitamos a relajarse y disfrutar de nuestro vuelo y muchas gracias por su atención.
So we're on the plane on our way back to Heathrow from Sao Paulo. We've just had our 4 hours in Sao Paulo.
Valuable.
We've landed in Heathrow and Nick's going to fill us in. Nick, it's your chance, mate.
Let's go around. Go. So we just finished our 30 hours of travel from Iquitos to England.
Yeah.
We're on the motorway way now, heading back to Dalton.
We've had a great trip. We've made some great memories.
Well, I suppose my favourite bit was the fishing, because I've never been fishing before.
Oh, I enjoyed the fishing, yeah.
I mean, it was so easy to catch a fish, and the number of...
Sometimes it was.
Yeah.
I'm driving up 85 in the kind of morning that lasts all afternoon. I'm just stuck inside the gloom. 4 more exits to my apartment, but I am tempted to keep the car and drive and leave it all behind. 'Cause I wonder sometimes about the outcome of a still verdictless life. Am I living it right? Am I living it right? Am I living it right? Why, Georgia, why? I rent a room and I fill the spaces with word and places to make it feel like home. But all I feel's alone. There might be a quarter-life crisis, but just the stirring in my soul. Either way, I wonder sometimes about the outcome of a still verdictless life. Am I living it right? Am I living it right? Am I living it right? Why, Georgia, why? So what? So I've got a smile on, but it's hiding the quiet superstitions in my head. Don't believe me. Don't believe me when I say I've got it down. Everybody's just a stranger, but that's the danger. And